Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use Windows 8 operating system. Most of you are used with Windows XP, Windows 7 and Linux operating system, but today I'm going to show you a brief tutorial of how to operate Windows 8 operating system. I'll start by pressing my start button, and Windows 8 operating system has got very interesting features in it. As you can see, it has got tiled menus. All these are menus that can enable you access different things. And if you can see, if I would like to access my desktop, I'll just press this section. It's because I had changed my desktop to a white background. That's why you're not seeing that word. There is a word there called desktop. The way you're seeing this as messaging, people, mail. So this is the desktop. So if I want to access my desktop, I just click on that and I access my desktop. This is my desktop and I can do anything. And if you check down here, I do have what you call the taskbar, where icons that are being used can be displayed. You can also access other icons through this arrow. You can also see your battery life. You can also see your network status, sound status, date and time, and flag sign here. So if you want to access the start button as well, you just scroll your cursor to the left corner, the left lower corner, then you access your start button. So this is the start button, and these are some of the new features that are in Windows 8. You can also access your mail, and you can access your mail. It's because that I'm not on net, that's why I cannot access my mail, but you can type in and access your email and your email, and try to read your mails without any problem. So you can also sign up for Microsoft account. You can continue like that. You can cancel that. It's okay. So come press the start button to access the previous thing. You can access the calendar. You can still use the calendar when you use that. You can as well access your photos by just clicking on the photos menu. You can add photos to your library. See yours here, SkyDrive photos. See your photos here. So all these are my photos. If I try to check on my photos, all these are my photos, and this is what I have. Also my photos. You can move to the next. So that's for the photos. You can also do some messaging. If you have some internet, you can do some messages online. You don't need to log on to a browser to do some messaging. You can access some Premier League or Premier League, Bundesliga results or news. When you're using Windows 8, you do not need to go to the web browser to access all that. This is you see, We have the NFL, NBA, MLB. All these are leagues. This is basketball. All those sports type, Formula One. So you can use this to access or whatever you need when you're using Windows 8. You can go to the store, Windows application store. You can download more applications from this site, and there are very many interesting things with Windows 8. So you guys who don't have it, you better upgrade your operating system to Windows 8. You can also listen to some music and so have some fun with some music. It has got very interesting applications that play you interesting music online. You can watch movies online using the Xbox video. Then you can also read some information. You can also check more information about important towns or cities in the world, and get to know the history about those cities. Like this is Rome, Italy. You can check on this is Washington. You can check on its history. Come here and click, and you can read on its history. All these are embedded into Windows 8 operating system. So you can read on the introduction of Washington. You can read all this. All this is courtesy of Windows 8. Okay, so you can also check on the maps. You can also access maps. When you're using Windows 8, you do not need to go to the website, to the web browser, and try to type in the map. So it's because that I'm not connected to the internet, that's why I'm not accessing most of these things. Do you want to allow? Yeah. But when I'm connected to the internet, I can access everything. When you're using Windows 8, see, these are the maps. Most of you are used to Google Maps, but this is Bing Maps, so you can try to access Africa very well. So when you're on the net, everything is just clear. You can also access what you call SkyDrive. SkyDrive is also needs some internet, and you can access a lot of things with Windows 8. This is Bing. Bing is just like Google. The way you guys find Google, and you type in google.com and type in anything you want to search. So Google is a search engine, the same to Bing. So Bing is also a search engine. So you can use this to search for anything you feel like you want. And you can also access other settings of Windows 8. You can have your applications here that were installed. As I have installed Mozilla, Firefox, I have Google Chrome, I have Adobe Reader, Microsoft Office, I have NetBeans IDE. All these are some of the applications that I have. So in case I'll need to find my applications, in case I fail to find my applications here, I just bring my cursor to the rightmost lower part of my PC. Then I will access this sidebar menu. I can press the search button to access any app that I would like to use. I may decide to use, maybe I can decide to access maybe Word. You just type Word, and all Word applications will be displayed. I may decide to type maybe music. and the music application will be shown. We decide to type video, and and all the video applications will be shown. So Office, all the Office applications will be shown. So you can use this format to search for the apps in your PC, and you can also use the same thing. You can come and check on the settings, PC settings. All these, you can change the tiles format of your things. You can change them to tiles and everything. You can go for help and learn more about Windows 8. You can adjust the brightness of your PC. You can with the brightness, you can adjust its brightness. You can put it down. That's what the brightness bit does. You can increase or decrease the volume of your PC. You can use this to select the network of your choice. You can use this to control your keyboard. All this is for the networks part. You can select the network of your choice, and you can also use the notifications, hide for 8 hours, hide for 1 hour. You can also use this power button to sleep your computer, to shut it down or restart it. So you can change PC settings. All these can be accessed in that section. You can go back and also access devices on your PC by pressing that button. You can also view all the applications by pressing this. You can share whatever you have on Windows 8 with another person by pressing that. Then you can also press this as the start menu as well. Go back to your menu. So that is a few things, or few unique things that Windows 8 has gotten. So you guys, you better visit Windows 8, because this is a very interesting operating system, and trust me, you cannot get bored when you're using this operating system. So it has gotten a lot of things, so please try your best so that you can get Windows 8 operating system. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. It was Brian speaking to you, and hopefully next time I'll try to show you guys more amazing and unique things that Windows 8 has gotten. Thank you very much. You can check out for more tutorials on our site, on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/wabsfilms, so that we can interact more and more. Or visit our Facebook page of Facebook/wabsfilms, or you can also visit the software page of facebook.com/wabsdevelopers. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Bye.